Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, 2025. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to USDC at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlesticks. I have a Bollinger Band here, and I got the choppiness index below as my primary indicator. What is going on with the Bitcoin these days? As you can see, from the technical point of view, the Bitcoin is trying to get towards the middle of the Bollinger Band, so it's going a little up, a little higher, a little towards the level of 84,543, which is the middle of the current Bollinger Band channel, and it means that it will be basically very close to the mean, to the average. Definitely the recent movement to the upside has retraced some percentage of this swing to the downside. So let me just mark this swing to the downside with big arrow. So that's our swing that we are considering as the downswing, right? So that was the directional movement, and you can tell by the choppiness index is showing us red bars, which means that the market is trending actually right to the downside, and the other movement to the upsides from that low to this swing high is still rather corrective in nature, because there's too many overlapping waves right in the lower time frames, and it looks like it's climbing the stairs, which is apparently a first clue that can allow you to say that this is actually a correction, not a trending market, right? So indeed the market went up towards the level of 88,758 and basically stopped there. We got pretty intense crypto pattern, candlestick pattern here on the daily time frame chart, and then the market reversed, even broke below this local trend line here. You can see that there is a very nice breakout to the downside. We retraced a lot here as well, at least 50%, I guess. Now we have a slight pullback, but as you can see, the choppiness index indicator is showing us still that the trend is to the downside, right? So market, it used to be a little bit choppy here around the topping level, which is 88,758, and then we got the reversal to the downside, and the index is showing us another red bar coming. So what's the situation here? It looks like the market wants to go lower. The immediate technical support might be located at 81,623. This level had been tested, and the market bounced from this level. Next target might be located at 80,174, and the ultimate target is obviously the technical support and the swing low from the March 11th, located at 77,100, and this is the first target for the bears, but it's not the last. If we go to the weekly time frame chart, you can clearly see that this situation might be a little bit more exciting, because we got this level here, 73,400, the high from the March 11, 2024, and then 8 months of the consolidation, and then the last wave to the upside. So this zone here is the key zone for in the long term for the bulls, obviously, and the bulls will likely defend this zone, but any breakout below, especially 73,420, might be bearish in the short term, it's obviously, but in the midterm as well, right? So that might be a little bit of the game changer in the midterm. Any breakout below the $50,000 is the game changer for the long term, which means that the market is in the downtrend, basically, all right, in the long term downtrend. But for now, the long term trend for the Bitcoin is still up. The mid-term trend is still up, but it's very closely to be tested, and the short-term trend is down. So that's the outlook and scenario for the Bitcoin to USDC at the Zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.